What is a fraction? A fraction is a part of a whole or a set. For example, a whole rectangle is divided into 4 equal parts. 1 out of 4 equal parts is shaded. 1 out of 4 can be written as 1 over 4, where 1 is called the numerator and 4 is called the denominator. The line between them is called the vinculum, fraction bar, or fraction line. What if all the 4 equal parts are shaded? 4 out of 4 can be written as 4 over 4, where 4 is called the numerator, the number of parts that are shaded, and 4 the denominator, which is the total number of equal parts. Still, the line is called vinculum or fraction bar. What fraction of the whole figure is not shaded? As you can see, the whole rectangle is divided into 5 equal parts, and 2 out of 5 equal parts are not shaded. 2 out of 5 can be written as a fraction of 2 over 5, or 2/5. What fraction of the whole figure is shaded? The first whole rectangle is divided into 5 equal parts. Out of 5, 5 are shaded. So the fraction for the shaded part is 5 out of 5, or 5/5. The second rectangle is still divided into 5 equal parts, and 3 out of 5 are shaded. So we have a fraction of 3 out of 5, or 3/5. Combining the two fractions, we have 5 out of 5, or 5/5, plus 3 out of 5, or 3/5, is equal to 5 plus 3, 8 over 5, or 8/5. How about this? What fraction of the whole figure is shaded? Each whole is divided into 2 equal parts. For the first part, 2 out of 2 equal parts are shaded. So we have a fraction for the shaded part, 2 out of 2, or 2/2. Still the same with the second part, we have 2/2, another 2/2, but for the last part, we only have 1 out of 2 that is shaded. That is why we have the fraction 1 out of 2, or 1/2. Combining the 4 fractions, we have 2/2 plus 2/2 plus 2/2 plus 1/2 equals 7/2. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 7. That is why we have 7 out of 2. What fraction of the week are school days? In a week, 5 out of 7 days are school days. Therefore, 5/7 of the week are school days. What fraction of the letters in the word math are consonants? In the word math, there are 3 out of 4 letters which are consonants. Therefore, 3/4 of the letters in the word math are consonants. Your parents brought home a box of pizza. Each of the 5 family members ate a slice of it, leaving 3 slices. What fraction of the pizza were left? So you can see there were 8 slices. 3 were remaining and 5 were eaten. Therefore, 3 out of 8, or 3/8 of the pizza were left. Number 4. What fraction of your vacant time do you spend with your families, with your friends, or for yourself? To be updated with our next video on reading fractions, please click subscribe. Always remember, whatever problems we have, whether in math or in life, there is always one or more solutions. This is Teacher Zilla, your Pinay math teacher.